Hello guys, so on the breaking news we just dropped, but before that, this is a lights on the shine now, so we don't fix our lights, so we're good. Now I just make I rest, yes, after opening the light. I can't see breaking news back say Bukayo Saka don't come back. What's this up? Make I go check. I can go check. I want to say I got the notification from Sammy Mokbel on Twitter, now X. So it said Bukayo Saka don't return ahead of the Manchester City game and he even do training. He don't join full training because Sammy Mokbel put out the report. Arsenal attacker Bukayo Saka returns to full training following 4 week spell out injured with hamstring injury. AFC face Man City later. Again, so they can't even show when Saka follow the team. They file out. Get maybe they don't waka, they stretch their legs. I don't know. And Saka now wear that black top. You get. So everybody like now what's the trend now? Everybody just carry the news now. Bukayo Saka is with the Arsenal squad ahead of the game against Manchester City. Later, there's a chance he could feature for Arsenal. Everybody because they like Bukayo Saka is with the Arsenal squad. Now what's just the trend? Now everybody they carry on. Now, what does this mean? Do are we because it's confusing now? Are we expecting Saka to come and start? Is Ateta going to take that high risk? Because for me, I would say leave Madueke, let Madueke start. Bring in Saka, let him come from the bench. Because me, I personally I feel say first half go tired. Everybody will see the show months. Then second half go do more open. I do me I say. So Saka come from the bench. But I don't know whether Ateta will because since we say we don't return to full training, obviously 100%. The physios will want to say you are certified A-OK. So if Saka don't come back, why would they guys know if he don't come back? Because nobody will not hear any buzz for the media about Odegaard, we see Odegaard can come. But I know the Saliba will one day. And when was the last time Saka faced Man City? Like I want to experience him today. Don't play now. I want to see him. You get so I just stay very, very happy it uplifted my spirit. Get and it will even increase our probability of actually winning the game if Saka did because we all know what he can offer. I get that guy was standboard. So I said, make I don't think the breaking news. I don't know. Make I see drop out. So we could just see how everything will unfold. By 3:30 lineup will come out. We'll see waiting at the plan to do today. All right, guys. As we